Hello, solution of question number 2, that is tabulation. One question is already solved. In this question, if you see that this was the complete table. Now you have to draw the table, right? So below you have the solution table that you have to write like this. You need to do the tabulation title also, that you need to write the tabulation title. So I will draw the first title of the table. Before that we need to go for the solution. In a sample study of, you just listen the question. Just I am moving the cursor here. In a sample study about the coffee habit in two towns. Two towns are there. So the two towns means town A, town B. Two towns are there, and town A, town B is the the items, two variables. So the first variable is towns. You have to find the variables in the town. How many towns are there? A, next B, two variables. Number 2, you see the question now. In town A, female were 40 and total coffee drinkers were 45%, and males. So female and female two items are there. So it is called gender or sex. Gender is another variable. So in the gender, male and female is there, right? Then move to the question. Town B, male 55, male non-coffee drinkers 30%, and female coffee drinkers means coffee drinkers and non-coffee drinkers, two variable again. So habits, in the habits, right? Coffee, shortly right? Coffee drinkers and non-coffee drinkers. So how many variables are there in the question now? One is a town, it includes two variable. Two is gender, three is habits. In the gender, male and female. In the habits, coffee drinkers and non-coffee drinkers. According to this, you can select the any two and any one in the caption, right? ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಒಂದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, any two. So the always preference is gender, that is sex. You need to take in the caption side. Caption means the column side. See, I taken here now male female total here. You have to take total also. Total follow new male female total. So town A I taken here, town B here taken, town A male female total, and habits I taken here, coffee drinkers, non-coffee drinkers total. Like that you make a table, right? How many variables are there in the table? So three variables in the, as per the question you write like this first. These are the variables. So variables and sub variables, and you select the table. Which side you need to take the variable that is left with you. I think it was simple. I am brushing you. These kind of solution already did by you in your degree level, right? So this was the table. Selection of the table is simple, that is choice with you. Now I will assign the table title here now. What is the title of this table? Like this. If I write like that, table showing the information of habits of coffee drinkers in two towns. Simple. This was your title of the table. This was your title of the table that you have to write. So this was the table title, and we have the table also here. Now we move to solve the answer. So first you take the town A only. Town A, female were 40%. So town A, female 40% means where you have to take out of these three area. It is not a coffee drinkers. If you want to take the coffee drinkers means here it is not a coffee drinkers, that is not a non-coffee drinkers. Non-coffee drinkers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ only ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. 40 were female. 40 means total. It is not coffee drinkers, non-coffee drinkers. 40 means percentage. Percentage means what? You need to take the total 100 here. Why it is 100? Because total percentage means what? Total 100. So this information is not given in the problem. That was your key area. This was not given because full information is based on percentage, means total grand total is how much? 100. Like here also 100 only. In the town B also, because it is a percentage base. So total always 100. Now see the next, total coffee drinkers here. Total coffee drinkers are 45. Total coffee drinkers means coffee drinkers total. Total means here 45, right? Then you move to the next one now. Next part, right? Next, if you see the next part, male non-cooperative incurs 20%. Male non-cooperative incurs, male, this male, and here non-cooperative incurs means here and here you have to take how much? 20% is there, right? Then you simplify the number now. Simplify the number means this was town A is over. Town A is over. Now you find the town A, the remaining. Remaining means balancing figure. Out of 100, less 45. Remaining is how much? 55. I will write it in star. Why it is written this star is written? Because it is computed by you. It is not given in the problem. It is computed by you. Now you find 55 and 20. 55 minus 20. How will get? How much you will get? 35. Then 40 minus this 35. How much you are getting? 5. 5 is the computed by you, right? Then 45 minus 5, 40, right? Then you find the remaining. Remaining means which one? 40 plus 20, 60. 60 is the total. Now you find here 60 plus 40 is how much? 100. So this was the answer of total. Now town B now. Town B means male were 55%. So male 55. It is not given that the cooperative incurs or non-cooperative incurs. Male non-cooperative incurs 30. Male non-cooperative incurs 30. Female cooperative incurs 50%, 15%. Female cooperative incurs. Cooperative incurs here, female is here. So how much? 15%. Now rest of the thing that you have to find a number now. So 55 minus this 30, how much comes? 25. So this was computed by you. Star means you computed now. Then 25 plus 15 equal to how much? 40. 100 minus this 40 equal to how much? 60 computed. Then 100 minus 55 equal to how much? 45 computed. Computed now calculate ಮಾಡಿದಿವಾಗ 60 minus 30 or 45 minus 50 both side if you say it is 30. So this was the answer for you, right? Now it is clear. Now you write like this in the question. What is this star? Star means computed. This was your footnote. Here you have to write this one. This one you have to write footnote. Clear? So what is star? Star in the table, computed figure. I hope that this was clear. Then move to the next question. If any questions is there for a solution, just you call me back. So this was the information that is given in the problem. Move to the question number 3 now. So present in tabular form with the suitable captions the information contained in the following. So 2001 is this para, and second para, this para is 2000 which one? 2001, and if you see here 2002, I think this was the 3 years question, and I think I put it here 3 years here. Let me clear this table first. I hope that this table not comes here. We will take this table from other side. Which side? Right. So take the solution here now. Here it is, not here. So for this question table is, I will write here. So this was the table of that question. This question. So no need of this table now. So I will delete that one. Right. So this question will go for next slide. So if you see this one now, question number 4, right? So the question is like this: present the following information in a suitable form, supplying the figures not directly given. Figures are not given in the problem. These are obtained in by minor calculations of additions and subtractions. 2012 is the 1 year, and 2012 is the another year, right? 2001 and 2012, right? So 2001 and 2002, it was exactly the same type question that I will go for the next one. Next one is here, actually this was a 3 years question and this was 2 year question. Exactly same is there, 1 year extra is there in the next question. So I will solve this question. Which one? 3 years question, and this 2-year question that you assign to you, then you solve and tell me, right? So I will go for a 3 years question now. 3 years question means this one. This one is your 3 years question. So 3 years question I will solve. Then you solve this question. Which one? This 2 years question. Okay. What is the area of the information they given? First I will note that one. So 2002, 2001, 2000, 2001, 2001, 2002. So I will make list first variable given. The first variable year is there, right? So in the year 2000 is there, 2001 is there, 2002 is there. Number 2. So in the question, if you see that in 2000 total workers in a factory, 1200 workers members of the trade union is there. So the number of women employed 200, of which 175 did not belong to any trade union means. So there is a union case is there. The members are classified into two. Workers means members, trade union, and one more is non-trade union. So this was the second one. Third one now. So if you say there the workers, the first para they given male or female workers. In 2002 the workers were increased to 1510, of which men is there 1290 men. So it means the third variable is men and women, means gender is there. In gender, men and women, male or female. Next, if you read the part, there is no other variable that you will get. So 3 variables are there. 1 is year, 2 is the sex or gender, 3 is members. So out of these 3, take any 2 in the caption. I already said that by default always you take the gender in the caption set. Caption set ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಸೆಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಒಂದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಟಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಯರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಜೆಂಡರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೇಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಎಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇಲು, ಎಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಿಮೇಲ್, ಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫುಟ್ನೋಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾವು ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್, ನಾನ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್. In 2000, only you take this part now. In 2000, out of total 1750 workers of a factory, 1750 workers of a factory, 1200 workers were members of trade union. So trade union, how much here? Trade union total is total 1200. The number of women employed was 200. Women employed was how much? Women, female, 200. Of which, out of this 200, 175 did not belong to trade union, right? So this part is over. This 2000 part is over. You find the missing now. Missing is 200 minus 175 equal to how much? 25 is the computed. 1200 minus 25 means what? 1175 is the computed figure, right? Next, this was the computed figure. Then 1175. Now you find 1750 200. So you will get 1550 computed. 1550 minus 1175. So how much you will get? So it was 300 maybe 75. If you find that total 10 carry 1, 14, 15 carry 1, okay, 375. 375 175 equal to 550. And if you find 200, 1250 equal to 1750, it was clear now. Now you find the 2001 now, 2001 year. So number of union workers increased to 1501. So union workers increase. Union workers means here to here it is how much now? 15 union workers, of which 1290 is men. 1290 is men. On the other hand, the number of non-union workers fell down to non-union means this one fell down to 208. This one non-union total, out of which 180 is men is 180. Over now you find the difference. Difference means here first 1290 minus how much, the 1290 and 1510. So you find the difference. 1510 minus 1290, the difference is 220. That you have to find a star. It is computed now. Now move to the next one. 208 minus this one is how much? 28. The new vertical total now, this one. So 1290 plus 180. If you add these two, how much? 1290 plus 180. So it was 1470. This was computed. Then you add this one, 248 also computed. And you find this one now, 1718. If you add this side also, it comes to 1780. So this was the answer of 2002 computed. Move to the 2002 now. There were on the payroll of factory 1800 employees belong to trade union. So in 2002, 1800 were it is not given male, female. So it was payroll 1800 is trade union. And 50 did not. 50 did not means 50 is not a trade union workers. Of all the employees in 2002, 300 were women. So total women is 200 in this 2002. If you see 300, not 200, it is 300. Next, women of whom 8 did not belong to trade union. Out of this, 8 is not belong to trade union. So the question is over now. You find the difference. This one plus this one equal to 1850, and 1850, this one means 1550. 50 plus minus 8, it was 42. Reverse we have got. You have to go reverse. And this one plus this one equal to minus, right? This one minus this one equal to 1508 computed. Now the difference of these two, anyone you have to take. I will take 292. So if you find this one plus this one equal to 1800. So this was the solution of your question. What you have to do now? You have to write the footnote now. Footnote, how you have to write footnote? Like this. Footnote. First star means computed. Footnote means what actually? Computed. M means male, right? F means female. T equal to total. You have to write like this, right? So this was your solution. Then solution is over now. So I will move to one by one. So this question number 3, the same question that I solved now, it was repeated. So question number 4, it is for you. It is given for you. Then this conversion all solved. So what I shown you, so that you have to write. This one is not for you. This one is already solved. I will delete this one. So you have the question number 4 that you have to solve yourself and send the answer me. And this one is solved. And question number 4, it is given to you. This one is solved. Question number 5. So your only thing is that you simple. Question number 4 you have to solve. This 4 you have to solve, right? So thank you very much. You write the question and answers, send me.